We'll guide you through how to compare Wix XP versus Wix so you can decide which platform suits your needs best. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website on your desktop. You'll want to start by understanding that Wix XP is essentially an enhanced version of the traditional Wix platform, offering more advanced features and integrations, especially tailored for larger businesses and more complex projects. To start comparing, log into your Wix account. If you don't have one, create a free account by clicking on the Get Started button at the top right corner of the page. Once logged in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard. Here, you can explore the different features available on each platform. On Wix XP, you'll notice options like advanced analytics, CRM tools, and a more robust app market that are designed to cater to businesses that require more comprehensive solutions. On the other hand, the regular Wix platform is great for personal sites or small businesses, with its easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor and pre-designed templates. To compare specific features, such as pricing or support, go to the pricing page by clicking on the pricing link in the top menu. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the plans offered by Wix and Wix XP. Pay attention to the included features for each plan, and consider what your specific needs are, like whether you need advanced e-commerce capabilities or just a simple website builder. Then, explore the Features section under each plan for more detailed insights into what each platform offers. If you're leaning towards Wix XP for its advanced capabilities, make sure to check out their dedicated support and training resources to help you maximize those features. Remember, the key is to align your choice with the specific needs of your project or business size. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.